Okay, today you guys are going to save your own specific title block and sheet. So I just want you to open Solidworks. Don't open up your prior part or the shoulder bolt or anything. So just open it up and go File, New, and then you're going to start with a drawing. So hit OK. The first one we're going to use what Solidworks, the template they have to work off of. So you're going to use an A landscape style. So you want to hit OK here. Couple things you want to make sure is so that when this comes in, you're using inch, pound, seconds as your units. And make sure the drafting style up here, the dock props, this is ANSI. Some reason some of yours might be ISO or the international standard, but ANSI is the American standard. Okay, so from here, I want you to basically customize this and make this your own. So I'm going to right click on here and edit sheet format. And a lot of this stuff doesn't apply to us because number one, these aren't going to go to the production floor. So we're going to get rid of some of this material here, or some of these lines. So I'm just going to delete these. I'm going to highlight this stuff, highlight this stuff, just get rid of them. Bring this line back to there, get rid of that. Oh, I got rid of a line up there that I wanted. Okay, so I'm just going to grab that one, move that there. Okay, all of these are links to your part, so don't mess with those. We're going to leave those in there because then whenever you fill it in your model, these will automatically update. Okay, from here, I want you to basically fill in this title block. So a fractional tolerance is 1/32 of an inch. The machine is 1 degree, and the bend is 1. To place decimal is 0.01 and 3.0.05. That's just the standard kind of tolerance block. So under here, let's go back over and let's get a symbol and put a degree symbol in there and degree symbol there. Let's back this up a little. Okay, now under the name, wait till it gets kind of close to the drawn bind so you can double click on there. I'm going to put first initial and then last name. Typically in industry, you just put your initials of every, your middle and last. But for class, it's easier for me to figure out who it is. If we just do this, and then why is that placeholder not coming up in there? Okay. All right. Right now, in the comments section, if you want to put, you want to import, let's just say some kind of picture. All right. You go up to Insert, Picture, and I don't really know what I have for pictures in. Well, I must have the logo here, so let's try the logo. Falls School District logo. Okay, so I'm going to drag this guy down. So basically I'm scaling it, because you're going to want to scale it to fit in that space there. And again, you can use anything you want. It's kind of company specific. If you had a certain company, you would use the company's trademark or logo. Again, just make sure it's school appropriate. All right, once that's all done, and that's about pretty much as far as I want you to go. Okay, there's one thing that I forgot that I want you to add here. I want you to add the ASME Y14.5. That's just the standard that the industry is going by to govern tolerancing engineering drawings. All right, from here, just right-click and edit sheet. That basically locks all that in. From here, you're going to go up to File, Save Sheet Format. Now, this is bumping to SolidWorks in your C drive. You're going to want to make sure you put this under your PC, under your H drive, because you're going to reference that back later. So I'm going to go A, and then Hughes, and that's fine. I'm just going to throw this on my desktop so you guys can see this. All right. So the key here is, so when you do a File, New, Drawing, it's going to, again, it's defaulting back to here, to the standard one SolidWorks says, but now you want to use your own. So right there is my A, and then OK. So all this stuff that you put in there is what you're going to use.